Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here in another Sunday talk. So just checking just to see what is going to happen next week. And of course, after seeing market having a big failure right here, massive drop all this couple of weeks, this last what 1 2 3 weeks down, then one little correction, then another 3 weeks down. So very strong with all the reports pretty much we had last month. And with the this was NFP, this was, I believe this was CPI report, then we had another news coming out, and Mr. Jerome Powell was speaking, and of course things are still bearish. So all this push right here was just for a little while, a little excitement, just like the same in here. We always gonna have mini rallies, depending of course on the situation, and of course because everything that is going on right now is still bad. Things, the tension in Russia is getting very strong right now as well, and well, it's just things are gonna get worse. Definitely things are gonna get worse. If you saw also the massive leak, the gas leak in the in, I think it was in France, in Germany, I'm sorry, I think it was in Germany. There was a major leak in the ocean. I don't know if you saw, like you just by going on YouTube, and you just go gas leak. And I think there was a huge, look at what was happening. So people are saying that that was pretty much sabotage, and don't know exactly from whom, but that's what they are saying. Of course, that's gonna affect Europe definitely. And this European crisis is definitely getting worse and worse. Look at the price of the euro. GBP also, it corrected a little bit, but I think the direction is to the downside, and it's gonna get cheaper. The GBP is gonna get cheaper than the USD. I'm pretty sure. So anyways, Nasdaq right here. What we have, pretty much, we have a big push right here. We have a pullback, push, pullback, push down. Recently, look at this. We're on a weekly, right? The body of the candle closed below this little bottom right here. So it is definitely a BOS. That's a break of a structure to the downside. And let's see if it's going to continue. Next previous low, it would be around this area. So expecting the market to just simply continue going through that, and then maybe having again some type of mini rally, right, to then perhaps continue, guys. I think we're gonna be reaching this bottom right here when coronavirus, like this was the bottom of coronavirus. From this point the market started pushing. So I think, I mean, this is bad. This is definitely very bad. It's the biggest crash ever in history, what we're living right now. So it will just continue. So if I go in smaller time frames, 4-hour time frames, like we'll just see, continue BOS, another BOS, BOS. The market keeps breaking the structures to the downside. So on a 1 hour, perhaps expecting some type of correction, right? Some type of pullback. Let's see. A potential zone right here that I want to watch. This entire zone. Even though it's not that, like, there is not imbalances, at least not right here, maybe a little imbalance right here, it's not that attractive. but I'll be watching it. I will just wait for the market to do its thing, you know, and to actually form something and get prepared for tomorrow. So maybe this thing right here at the top. Let's see what we can get for tomorrow. But it's definitely too early to make a decision right now. So on bigger time frame, of course. Now price after creating a low, we should expect a little pullback. We should definitely expect a little pullback, a little correction before a continuation. So let's see if we're gonna, maybe we can have some opportunities to actually go buying, you know, go in smaller time frames. 5 minutes. I'm trying to spot some type of buy. But if you're in Asian session, that is not good. Recommend you waiting patiently for London session or New York session to make your entry. So, you know, don't get crazy with that. US 30. Let's go to the weekly. Of course, recently breaking. Let's mark it up. This is a BOS. Price continue. Breaking the structure, breaking the structure, breaking the structure. All the time breaking structures to the downside. This one was very, like, you know, this push was very, very strong. And the drop was even stronger. So there is a clean buy right here. Like if you look in the past, right here, look how strong this push was, right? So there's a very important zone right here that I want to watch. I don't want to buy right away. I want to watch it once the market reaches that zone. You see where it is right now? So still long way, still a long way. About 2,100 pips on that drop. But this was a very strong push. So we do have imbalance in there that the market may actually be looking to reach. My God. And the final drop would be here. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but I don't see the markets turning around anytime soon. I think this drop will continue for the rest of the year and even in 2023. Maybe by December 2023, things may start to turn around. I think this is going to be a long ass bearish trend, to be honest. S&P 500, same day. Recently breaking a previous low, so that's our break of a structure to the downside. There is a very strong push right here. Let's see how it looks on a daily. You see, it's very strong. Very strong push. So this is a zone that we want to keep an eye on to. Let me see. Yeah. So expecting just a simple movement right here. This is just simple price action. We got a push, pullback, big push, pullback, and this push can get maybe to that zone right there before another pullback, right? A mini rally before continuation. So far this year has had one push up. We can say that's a little push as well. But this one is second. Let's say we had 3 pushes, 3 pullbacks this year. But in overall, the trend line is still to the downside. That thing is going to continue dropping. Gold. Gold, we are actually on a channel. This is a nice channel. If you remember, I caught a sale. I caught a nice sale in a monthly week. This is the first time actually doing this on gold. But I caught a sale from here on this breakout. Got a push, pullback, nice trigger right here, bearish engulfing candle. So entering right there, going for 1 to 2 risk to reward. This thing was for like 6 weeks. This drop right here was a beautiful, but it was a swing trade. It was a really nice swing trade. So right now what's happening right here on gold, this is what I'm seeing. I think market will continue dropping, at least to somewhere in this area. That's a nice BOS and change of character that I want to pay attention to, because the market has reached a zone. Look at this on the, is it on the daily or on the weekly? That's on the weekly. This is a very, very important zone right here. Right, the market is showing reaction already. So, and a nice BOS, nice change of character. So maybe, you know, going to the downside, nice sell. That's a nice order block right there. And also, this is a zone we want to watch right here. This order block right there, that we can keep an eye on too. Market can drop here, boom. Maybe build up liquidity. Maybe the market can actually drop like this, then pull back. So it's gonna create a double bottom, an equal low, and then wipe it out, boom, and then maybe start pushing up, get into this channel, close to the channel, and then maybe drop it again. I don't know. But yeah, that can take a long time. That can definitely take a long time. But yeah, I'm definitely expecting the market to continue dropping a little bit more. So had a nice push, nice strong reaction in the area on the weekly zone, nice, very strong aggressive buy, but now expecting that pullback. If the market really wants to go up, not necessarily the market has to go up right here. The market can give a damn about this thing and just break, just continue crashing, depending on what's going on. But that is basically it, guys. Bitcoin is also staying in this zone right here. It is not moving. So it's kind of still below the 20. It goes a little higher, above 20, and it breaks. So the 20,000 is definitely a very strong resistance. I don't see Bitcoin recovering the remaining of the year. I don't care what people say, you know, I'm not a crypto guy. Like definitely not a guru or anything like that on cryptocurrencies, but just price structure and the struggle in here is telling me that Bitcoin soon will have that continuation. It will definitely continue crashing, and it will reach the 14,000, at least the 14,000. This is gonna be a pretty slow right there. So market will definitely be reaching that right there. So I don't think we're gonna have a recovery. Maybe, who knows? Like the market is also struggling to break this this zone right here. It's a very important support. But if it violates that, if it breaks it, which I think it will, maybe this week, it's looking like a, I don't know, maybe like a bearish flag, like a little bearish flag right there. I think it's gonna break it to the downside, definitely, to be honest. And that thing is gonna continue crashing. That's at least, you know, what I'm thinking. So, but anyways, that would be pretty much all, guys, for the expectations. Markets are still bearish. I recommend you following this website right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below of this website as well. This is where the reports and sometimes for, like, you know, whenever Jerome Powell is speaking or you know, something that is being added, it will be added here. Okay, so you can watch it live, right? And this is the other website in here that I will be posting the link again in the description, and so you guys can be aware of what's going on fundamentally. Okay, not just technical analysis, but fundamentals right now are a big thing, and markets are being affected, you know, a lot by everything that is going on in, you know, in the world, right? So again, if you're interested in learning how I'm actually trading, what I'm doing right now, recommend you going on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle which comes with my course, my mentorship, in a VIP signal group for life, right? It's a one-time payment, right? Only for today. The market is actually, the offer, it's ending today. So those who really want to learn and want to understand how we trade, especially right now with smart money concepts, I recommend you go ahead and check it out. There's a one-time payment. You're part of the team forever. All right. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next Sunday talk. Take it easy, guys.